So this went fairly easy. I put the 2 screws in these holes, 2 holes, 2 screws in the lower part. That keeps the bearing right where it's supposed to be. Next thing is put this keyway in. This is from Harbor Freight, and it's junk. They're good for cleaning it up. I want to go fishing, and everything that stands in my way, is this. Well, I put the bearings in, I put the belt in, painted a little bit. I saw and that ugly thing there, which the new one is right here. Painting it as we speak. I have to work. Now that's what I do for a living. Carpentry. That's wood trim for a kitchen. Prime and paint. That's my little trailer. I haul everything on anything. Put the Y's on it. But it's in my way. I want to go with the jet ski. I want to go fishing. Now this footage is, I got a new cam. Matter of fact, it's a GoPro 7 Black. This is the first footage I'm shooting with it. I don't know how the quality is. We'll find out. Oh man. I gotta do this. So when I did cut the bearings off, I cut with the torch into the shaft by accident, which left a nasty stuff inside the thread, and I couldn't get the screw in. So I gotta retap that, drill it, retap it, 1/2 inch. So let's get to it. If it works. It doesn't go with the drill. I have to do it by hand. It. Let's wash it off a little bit. Shavings and bearings, they just don't go well together. Make sure everything's nice and clean. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. Gotta clean up the backyard. There's another job that's sitting around. Now that's kind of weird because like I gotta put a new teak on it, and the metal sides, the cast iron, I have to paint them in pink. Yes, you heard me. Pink. Soon. Fishing video. And I'm gonna upload another video about the stump grinder. Fixing it. Yeah. It's a beautiful day. It's a little rainy maybe. I don't know. It's maybe gonna rain a little bit. Maybe not. I hope not because I'm painting. And it's hot. Super hot. And now I gotta grab a coffee. Coffee. Baby mango. Coffee mug, baby mango. Mango. More mangoes. Mangoes everywhere. Fuck yeah. Alright, that's the new footage. That's the new camera. First time ever recording and uploading. Let's see. Super excited. And it's hot.